Team Anna has actually split. Now there's Team Anna and there's Team Arvind Kejriwal. Obviously, we've been hearing rumors about the split for some time now, after Arvind Kejriwal made it clear that he wanted to go political and Anna Hazare made it clear that he will not go political under any circumstance. And today, finally, Anna Hazare has come out and said that I have no objection if Arvind Kejriwal forms the political party, but I will not associate myself with any political party. There are some deserving candidates, then I will support them. That's a big breaking story coming in right now. For more on this, we'll go across to Pankaj Kelkar. But before that, let's listen into the exact words.
मूवमेंट को दोबारा जिंदा करने की बात हो रही है, किन किन लोगों को साथ में लेकर किस तरह का ये प्रयास किया जाएगा?
सामने दिखे। मैं पहले से ही ये इरादा कर लिया है कि कोई पक्ष और पार्टी नहीं निकालना, कोई चुनाव नहीं लड़ना, क्योंकि मैं अपने जीवन में एक व्रत लिया है, जो करना हो समाज और देश की सेवा करनी है। और पॉलिटिक्स में जाकर चुनाव लड़कर वो सेवा नहीं होगी, वो तो आपका उसमें स्वार्थ है। तो मैं पक्ष और पार्टी में नहीं जाना, चुनाव नहीं लड़ना, ये पहले से मैं तय किया। अभी मैं इस बात को सोच रहा हूँ कि कहीं ऐसे विचार के जो लोग हैं और देश के बारे में सोचते हैं, समाज के बारे में सोचते हैं, ऐसे लोगों की एक राय लेना है कि भाई हमारी दिशा क्या होनी चाहिए। ठीक है, पक्ष नहीं निकालना, पार्टी नहीं निकालना, लेकिन हमारी दिशा क्या होनी आगे, इसके लिए अलग अलग जानकार लोग हैं, अनुभवी लोग हैं, उनसे सलाह लेना। जैसे आज हम 5-6 लोग बैठेंगे पुणे में, इसके बाद दूसरी मीटिंग हो गई, उसमें और ज्यादा लोग आ जाएंगे। यहाँ से अभी दिल्ली में मीटिंग हो रही है, कल एक मीटिंग हो रही है, परसों एक मीटिंग हो रही है। ये सब हम जो जानकार लोग हैं, अनुभवी लोग हैं, उनकी सलाह ले रहे हैं, और ये सलाह लेकर फिर हम आगे की दिशा तय होने के बाद पूरे देश में घूमना है, हर राज्य में जाना है, राज्य में लोग क्या कह रहे हैं।
Alright, so that was the word from Anna Hazare. He very clearly came out and said, will not enter politics, will not fight elections, will not form political party. For more on this story, we'll go across to Pankaj Kelkar. Pankaj, the split becoming very, very clear when Anna came out and said that Arvind Kejriwal is free to form a political party, but Anna Hazare will not support a political party, so to say.
Yes, Siddharth, Anna Hazare made it clear that he won't be associated with any of the political party, may it be Arvind Kejriwal's party. So this also makes it clear that few days back when in Raleigh City, Arvind Kejriwal and Sisodia had come there and they had insisted Anna for a referendum. Then also Anna, after the addressing the press, he had said, if people say that team can form a political party and team should form a political party, then also I won't be associated. And today also he has given a message to Arvind Kejriwal. If he insists that people are saying yes, then also he will be he won't be associated with that party, and he, along with his old members who were there with him since 1996 in Pune or in Maharashtra, those people are once again associated with him. Those people were seen over here in Pune, and they are having a meeting right now in Pune. Siddharth,
has he expressed some sort of dissatisfaction with Arvind Kejriwal and his move to go political?
See, Anna hasn't made that thing clear, but he says that he is whatever Arvind Kejriwal is doing, he is doing as per when he said he is going to carry out a referendum. So he is not anyway annoyed or dissatisfied with Arvind Kejriwal, but he wants to keep himself away from political party or any political outfit.